Well, hello, ladies and gentlemen. Today is going to be a vlog day. Where Crystal went. We are packaging keto bricks all day today because we did the launch yesterday. Yesterday was Sunday. Today's Monday. We're packaging bricks today. Crystal, what you got going on, Crystal?
What do I have going on?
Yeah.
Well, I went to go pick up my passport today because we're going on the low-carb cruise, and I can't pick it up until later today, and hopefully they'll have it. So, other than that, we're just packaging and working out. I'm about to work out.
So today is the first day of my egg fast. I'm going to work out, then I'm going to have my dozen eggs for meal one. Let me turn this music down. Hold on. I don't know what Crystal's jamming out to there. Anyways, so let me just show you some of the labels we got printed out thus far. Crystal's been printing labels all morning. This isn't all of them, but this is a lot of the labels. So, pretty good stash. Neither Crystal or I slept hardly at all last night. I was like tossing and turning, and then I tried to sleep for like an hour and a half, and I just said screw it. So I wound up doing like an all-nighter. Got a lot of work done at like 1 o'clock this morning. Crystal got up super early to start printing out the labels. We got a crew out there packaging up now. We're about to head out there, but first we're going to get a quick workout in to wake up and reinvigorate ourselves to attack the day. One more update, I've been using this Clear creatine, which I do like. It absorbs very well. And then I've been doing 1 scoop of the pre-caged pre-workout. I got the new flavor Orange Crush, and it tastes and works pretty well. No adverse response to that at all. Alright y'all, so another quick little workout tip here. Just finished crushing delts and back. First of all, one tip is work out without air conditioning. Way better, way more sweat, way better pump. But the actual tip is, let's talk about shoulder, let's talk about deltoids. So you've got the front head, you've got the side lateral, you've got the rear delts. So how you position your arm throughout that movement is going to depend on which part of the muscle you're trying to target. So as far as front delts go, let's look at something here. I'm going to do a cable lateral raise, front lateral raise. Now most people will do like double arm and they'll go up at the same time, but when you do that, you're pretty much going straight up, you know, and the front head of the deltoid ties in up here right at the clavicle there, and then down here towards the bottom of the tricep, or towards the top of the tricep rather. So if you're going straight up, you're contracting that front muscle, that front lateral muscle pretty good, but you're not getting the full contraction because it ties in up here. So you want to shorten the distance from point A, where it ties in, to point B, where it ends up. So if you go straight up while you are contracting, it's not the full range. Whereas if you go up while kind of going in towards the center of your body, you're gonna be shortening that distance more and more. So doing a front lateral raise, for instance, rather than just going straight up, try and go up and in. Up and in. It's gonna get more of a contraction there. What is up, y'all? Making my fatty bulletproof coffee right now. We have 1 tablespoon of MCT oil, 2 tablespoons of heavy cream, and 2 tablespoons of butter in here. Alright, so just got done on a call with Lauren Berryhill. She had some questions about cameras. She's going to start vlogging, so I hooked her up with some good camera recommendations. And now I'm about to jump on a client call. Today's going to be a busy day. I'm just going to throw it all out there and let's see where we go. I could fill y'all in on the camera recommendations I'm using. Let's do that. So this is being shot on a Sony a6400, which is my 3rd vlogging camera. I started vlogging with a Panasonic Lumix G7. This beauty right here. This thing is what the majority of my YouTube videos have been made on. It's a trooper. I've dropped this from the top of my truck probably 7 times now, and it's not really going strong anymore, but it was for a while. Then I graduated to the Canon 80D. This thing is incredibly heavy. I like it for specialty stuff, but I have not really been impressed with it as a vlogging camera. The autofocus, which everybody hails as the best, is not really that great. At least it wasn't for me. But I have been pleased thus far with the A6400. I hate how the screen, while it does now move up so I can see if I'm in the frame or not, it doesn't move out. So it's not a fully articulating screen, which I think is a huge mistake, but it is what it is, and I'm dealing with it. So let me know if you like the image quality of this camera. Alright, y'all, so it is time for my meal 1. I've had my fatty coffee today. I'm going to have my first meal, which is going to consist of 1 dozen eggs, 12 whole eggs, and 2 tablespoons of, I think I'm just going to go with butter this time around. So I'm going to put 2 tablespoons of butter in here, cook up my dozen eggs. Let's do it. Boom, as you can see, we got a ton of eggs. I'm going to add some Tony Chachere's Creole seasoning, and I might put a spoonful of this salsa in there as well. Whew, that was a ton of eggs. I am officially full now. Let's go check out the operation. We got to fill this empty van full of bricks. It's probably going to be 2 loads. Let me show what I'm talking about. These are all plumb full of bricks. Goes all the way to the back. We got Brandon labeling away hardcore over here. We got Bridget and Corey holding down the fort. You want to come with me to the drop-off?
You want me to?
I want you to. Look at all these bricks. Mountains of bricks. Mountains! What we got in here? Nobody! Where's everybody at? Those bicep peaks right there. Look at that. Oh my gosh!
You want to go this way or the other way?
We got bricks on bricks on bricks. Yeah, buddy.
On bricks.
On bricks. Alright, Corey and I just got done delivering 1 load of bricks at the post office. The van is empty now. We're about to load up and do 1 more load. So this will be the first time we've ever done 2 big old van loads. Progress, y'all, progress.
Despite what most people think, Robert actually does a little bit more than computer work. Look at this.
A little bit more.
What are you doing, Robert?
Well, you know, I'm trying to earn my wages around here. The boss man's terrible.
Out here getting the sweat in.
I'm glad somebody got some footage of me working.
Yeah, right.
We gotta have proof every once in a while,
Yeah.
even if it's once a month.
All right, guys. We are just leaving the post office now for the 2nd time today. Since I've been with Keto Brick, it seems to be a record-breaking month. Every month that I've been here. And there is, you definitely get a workout in every time unloading all of these packages.
Gotta love it. Gotta love it. Y'all be getting your bricks very soon. Keep an eye out for them. The lack of sleep is definitely starting to catch up with me, but there's still more to do today. The last load of bricks have been delivered and dropped off. They're on their way to you. Right now, I'm gonna go for a run. This week is the start of a new week, so doing 3 miles today. Here we go. All right, y'all, 3 miles in the books. Feel pretty good. I love being able to run again, having my toe healed up. My toenail's about to fall off, though. It's kind of freaky looking. It's like holding on by a thread. Pretty nasty. But I feel good. The shoes are working good. I'm not having any kind of aches and pains in my feet. And this is a great time for me to just like zone out from the day, reflect on the day, learn from the day, listen to some kind of business audiobook or keto audiobook, podcast, and just learn. This is like my time to work on my self-development and growth. Love it. In other news, I want to apologize. The hand signed cards with the stickers that we put in every order of the keto bricks, we ran out towards the end of the packaging. I had more ordered, but they're not coming in yet. They're probably going to come in tomorrow, which is the day after we ship out. So some orders will not have the hand signed sticker card. I truly apologize. It's not because we don't love you as much, just because we ran out of cards. But like I said, more are on the way, and all orders coming forward will have the hand signed card. So sorry again about that. So like I say, I will see you in just a little bit. I'm gonna go home, take a shower, and get some eggs to eat. So catch you for that. Boom! Look at that hard-boiled egg action. You excited about that?
Robert's eating all of my eggs. I bought these all for myself.
Yes, she did. I gotta
For
go
like
buy
the
her
full
more.
next week.
Gotta go buy her more. Anyways, let me get this. All right. So yesterday was the launch day of the bacon brick. Today we packaged and sent all those bricks out. You should see them very soon. That's what most of today's content revolved around. And with every launch, with every day, with everything, we just can't help but think how blessed and grateful we are. And I know we say this on so many videos, like the reason we see success is because of y'all. And I hope that doesn't ever sound repetitive, because I'm going to keep saying it because it's so freaking true. I mean, honestly, we were just sitting here a minute ago and we're like, I don't know. We're just very blessed. We're very happy. We're very fortunate. And we're very excited about life and future and what we can possibly do to keep adding value and bringing any kind of benefit to y'all, because y'all make our world go round, literally. So thank you for getting a brick. Thank you for supporting us, and thank you for just being awesome. You know.
I know.
You know.
Do you know?
What does that even mean?
I don't know.
Anyways, we're very happy, and I keep saying the same thing, but you know what I'm saying. Anyways, also on another note, we keep getting all these amazing gifts from y'all that have like stumbled upon our wedding registry, or however people find that. I'm not really sure.
Yeah, I don't
know how people find that, but we keep getting all these Amazon gifts from our wedding registry, and we just want to say thank you all who have sent us a gift. Sometimes there's no name in the gift.
Yeah.
So we don't know.
A lot.
Yeah, we have no idea who sent it. So anybody that has watched this and has sent us something, thank you very, very much.
Yes. And feel free to send us an email saying that you were the one that bought us something specific, so that we can actually thank you individually. Some people I have been able to reach out to, and I've said thank you. Some people, like, there's nothing that nothing came with it. Yeah.
We got a bunch of really good gift cards, like nice steakhouses.
Yeah.
We've gotten some great books on
Amazon
relationships.
gift card. Yep.
Amazon.
Relationship books.
Grab those things over there if you don't mind.
Pushed me away with your knee.
This is from Joette, right?
Yep.
She got us some awesome wine glasses, because we've been enjoying our wine glass, or we've been enjoying our wine in the evenings.
In coffee cups, and now we have wine glasses.
And check out this like cookout steak grabber set. I mean, we got like our grill scrubber, we got our spatula, we got our tongs, we got everything you need. So thank you very much, Joette, and everybody else that got us something. We really do appreciate it.
Yeah, we did. We got a bunch of different things. Like, we're super, super grateful for all of it. We feel spoiled.
Yeah, it's kind of funny that we keep saying these things, and I feel like I'm just stumbling upon my words, but I wish I knew how to better show our thanks and appreciation and gratitude, because every day we feel it. So that's all I gotta say about that. Love you.
You love me?
I do love you.
I love you too.
We love all y'all.
Yes, we do.
We love all y'all. So let us know what you think about the bacon bricks. We'd love to hear your feedback on them, and we will see you tomorrow. Night.